What are the best breakfasts to have before dancing? I start dancing early, so I know I need some energy, but I don't want anything that's gonna fill me up too much. So you're absolutely right that you're gonna want to have something that has a good mix of protein, carbs, and fat because you need that energy. But you also want something that has a smaller volume, so it's not gonna bounce around in your stomach so much. So some really good options, you could look at things like hard-boiled eggs and fruit, or whole wheat toast with some kind of nut butter on it, whether it's peanut butter or almond butter, and some fruit. You could go for some oatmeal with fruit and nuts. I aim for going for unflavored oatmeal, like steel cut oats, and then sweetening it with some added fruit and nuts. You could go for one of my personal favorites, the pumpkin granola parfait, where you start with a base of yogurt. You mix in some pumpkin puree from a can. No, that's the pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie filling, which has a bunch of extra added sugar in it. But yeah, so you take some Greek yogurt that's nice and high in protein, mix in some pumpkin puree, throw in some pumpkin pie spices. So there's like cinnamon and nutmeg and allspice. And then you can throw in some nuts or some granola, like a nice low sugar or no added sugar granola. So that's a really great way to get in a bunch of nutrients. It's nice calorie dense, nutrient dense, and also get some vegetables into your breakfast. Smoothies are also a great choice. Smoothies are great with a whole bunch of vegetable. I like to put a bunch of spinach into my smoothie, as well as one or two other kinds of fruit. And then you can add some protein to it with either yogurt or kefir, kind of a fermented milk. And you can add some nut butter in there as well to get in some more protein fat to really get that energy in. I loved answering your questions. So if you want me to do more videos like this, leave me some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thanks for watching. That's what science tastes like.